Welcome back to Hot Rod Guy Garage, and this is going to be an update video on the 65 Mustang and why there hasn't been a video in a couple weeks. So stick with me through the intro and I'll be back. And alright guys, this is going to be kind of a short video. I have been super busy here at the shop and I want to take a couple weeks off from the 65 Mustang build. So, as a lot of you know, I've been fixing a bunch of screwed up metalwork that the previous owner or car flipper has performed. So, you know, it can get financially stressful. So, we took a break for a couple weeks to let him recoup a little bit of money before we start tearing into it again. So I took in some other jobs to fill this gap. Got a Jeep over here. I don't know if you can see it. It's over there. Had a wiring harness fire. So I've been working on it. I've got a little Baja Bug sitting outside. There's an 89 GT. And I got that little Turbo Ranger back that done the tune video on. It's down there in the lower bay. Been real busy. So the owner let me know earlier in the week to get back on it and start back. So I've ordered some parts. Unfortunately, it's going to probably be middle of next week before I can get a video out on this. So I do have a set of new frame rails sitting here and all the other metal parts that we need to get this car completed, except for the quarter panels on the outside. So let me flip around. I'll show you where we're at and where we left off the last time, and then I'll be back again. So our last video left off with finishing up the front half of the car back here. Still got to put these wheelhouses on. Got to fix these frame rails because they are super soft back here in the back. They're just real poor where they done the work before. So got these nice replacement rails to go in here, because this one over here is literally coming apart. And it has a big old boogery patch right here on the side for whatever reason. So our next video, we're going to be attacking this stuff and hopefully get this trunk floor finished up and get the rear cross member back in it. And those big old 1970 special leaf spring shackles are going to go away also. So this is where we're at right now. So I just kind of want to give y'all an update of where we still were. So look forward to that video coming next week. There'll probably be a couple of videos this weekend where I work on the Turbo 306 cylinder build for my 70 Torino. And I'm going to do some work on the Swift also. So if you haven't checked those two videos out, make sure you check them out. And this Jeep, I've got to take two harnesses and make one. But I got the under hood section already repaired. So pretty much guys, super short video. If you haven't, make sure you like this video, comment down below. And most importantly, if you're a new watcher that's not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see y'all at the next video. Thanks for watching.